nothing wrong with it, but it's just one of our programs. See, this brain up here is like a supercomputer. And we learn so much all the time, but we don't realize we're learning. So I need a helper who's raising their hand with the bubble in their mouth. All right, cool. What's your name in the red shirt? Nathan. All right, Nathan, I'm going to stay right there. I'm going to use you as my first helper. All right? So watch. This is what we do. So do I want your hands up or do I want your hands down? Good. I like the way you're sitting crisscross. I like the way your back is straight. Awesome. So Nathan, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do what we do all the time. Watch, ready? Why didn't you do it? What? Why didn't you do it? So hold on a second. Now, I created an expectation in my mind that Nathan would stand up, do 2 jumping jacks and a backflip, and sit back down. Now, hold on a second. Nathan, did I tell you what I wanted you to do? Is there any way you have psychic powers? You do? Okay, so I don't know, maybe you were the press receiver. So, is there any way for you to know that I wanted you to do the jumping jacks and the backflip? No. So I never told him. So if I get mad at him, does that make sense? No. Who's the person that created the expectation? Yeah. So who's the only person that I should be upset at? Yeah. Does that make sense? How many of you have created expectations, like things that you wanted your friends to do, but you never told them? You know what's even crazier? Anybody here ever think that one of their friends is mad at them? So what happened was, I thought one of my friends was mad at me one time, but I didn't ask him. So a day went by, 2 days went by, then a week went by. Finally, 2 weeks later, my friend comes up to me and he's like, dude, are you upset at me? And I went, no. I thought you were upset at me. And he's like, no. And I just wasted 2 weeks of my friendship. We could have gone to the soccer game. We could have gone to a movie. And the reason why was because I made up something in my mind thinking that he was upset at me instead of just going, bro, are you upset at me? No. Hey there, Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say thank you so much for checking out my video. I hope you got some value from it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to check out more videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel right here. If you have kids and you want to check out my Yogarati YouTube channel, then check it out right over here. And over here, you're going to have some videos of some other content that'll give you some tremendous value. I appreciate you, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.